Now we are going to discuss about the thermodynamics relation. From the thermodynamics relation, we get Maxwell relations also. Without thermodynamic relations, we can't explain Maxwell relation. The Maxwell relations for the long questions are very important. Here thermodynamic relation also very important and very dead easy topic also. Okay, very simple. Here thermodynamics relations are four types, which is internal energy, enthalpy, Gibbs free energy, and Helmholtz free energy equations. There are four equations. Okay, first of all, we have discussed two internal energy thermodynamic relation. Here, one relation to another one is the link up is there. That's why listen carefully. Internal energy. Internal energy, how to determine? First of all, taken from the first law of thermodynamics. What about first law of thermodynamics? dq is equal to w plus d. dq is equal to, we know very well, in place of w, pdv from first law of thermodynamics, and dE. We want internal energy. Okay, now how to get internal energy? dE is equal to dq minus pdv. Okay, now what about dq? dq value taken from the entropy equation. What about entropy equation? ds is equal to dq by t. dq is equal to tds. Okay, the dq substitute by tds. What's happened? d is equal to tds minus pdv. This is the thermodynamic relation of internal energy. Next, we want enthalpy. Enthalpy basic equation is H is equal to E plus PV. Doing partial differentiate with both sides like this. dH is equal to dE. Here also differentiate. PdV plus VdP. Okay. After then d is there. Already we get. This is equation number 1. Okay. dE value substitution. What's happened? dH is equal to, in place of dE, TdS minus PdV plus PdV plus VdP. Okay, minus PdV plus PdV will be cancelled. Next, remaining equation dH is equal to, we get TdS plus VdP. This is the thermodynamic relation of enthalpy. And third one is the Gibbs free energy. Third one is the Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy. We know very well Gibbs free energy basic equation equal to G is equal to H minus Ts. After then doing differentiate both sides, dG is equal to dH minus TdS minus SdT. TdS SdT. Right. After then dG is equal to, we have dH value in place, substitution. TdS plus VdP minus TdS minus SdT. Okay, na? Here plus TdS minus TdS will be cancelled. After then dG is equal to VdP minus SdT. This is the thermodynamic relation of, okay, this is the Gibbs free energy thermodynamic relation. dG is equal to VdP minus SdT. Okay, we have three thermodynamics relations. Those are internal energy, enthalpy, and Gibbs free energy. And last one is the Helmholtz free energy equation. Last relation of the fourth thermodynamic relation is the Helmholtz free energy. Helmholtz free energy denoted with A. Here the basic equation of Helmholtz free energy, A is equal to E minus Ts. The basic equation of Helmholtz free energy denoted with A is equal to basic equation E minus Ts. After then differentiate. dA is equal to dE minus TdS minus SdT. Both sides TdS STD. Right. After then we have dE value from the thermodynamic relation of internal energy. Here dA is equal to TdS minus PdV minus TdS minus SdT. Here plus TdS minus TdS cancel. Remaining equation we get dA is equal to minus PdV and minus SdT. This is the Helmholtz free energy thermodynamic relation. We have four thermodynamic relation, which is internal energy, enthalpy and Gibbs free energy. And last one dA is equal Helmholtz free energy is equal to minus PdV and minus SdT. Almost terms are same. Here temperature, entropy, pressure, volume. Okay na? But the signs are so different. That's why observe very carefully. The simplification is the very easy. Okay, here even mathematics, even science students also, there is no problem, there is no issues, there is no derivations, there is no simple integrations, there is no differentiations, there is no even subtraction like this. Okay na? Very easy to simplification. Okay na? Try to understand. These all are the four thermodynamics relation. The Maxwell relation depends upon the thermodynamics relation. Okay, this is a very small topic and very important also. The Maxwell relation depends upon this one. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.